Okay guys, part 2 is here of the Atlas episode. We have Marty, we have Sarah, we have Ruben and myself. We are catching up a storm and we ran out of time on our last episode. So here's part 2. So do not change that channel. Sarah, what the heck? We're just, yeah. Don't let him touch the boat. Don't let him touch the boat. Rod tip in the water. Rod. Don't let him touch the boat. Is he a big one? Oh man. Line. Keep the line tight. Keep the line tight. Don't touch the boat. Don't touch the boat. Don't touch the boat. Head first. Head first. Oh, Sarah is big.
Like the swivel.
Tell the viewers how you're feeling. All right, walk back, walk back, walk back. Boom! Oh my God! That was some kind of catfish, right? Oh my God!
I honestly didn't think it was a redfish.
It was a sleeper.
No, I was pulling, but I was just like, maybe it's just like trying to get away.
Okay. Oh, another one. Another one. Come along with us and enjoy the great outdoors in the state of Texas. Texas Outdoor Lifestyles. Brought to you by Point Blank Sporting Goods, Danny's Pawn Shop, Ron Hoover RV and Marine Center, Mayak Boats, Jim's Pier, Friends of the RGB League, Enbridge, Life Takes Energy, Social Life, the magazine of the Rio Grande Valley, Atlas Electrical, Air Conditioning, Refrigeration and Plumbing, The Glam Room, Pro Valley Food, and Select Properties. Texas Outdoor Lifestyles. It's not just a hobby, it's a lifestyle. Marty is hooked up. Marty Lynn. What's going on over here?
Get the thing from out from under the boat.
There we go. Bring him to the net. Boom. Okay.
Wow. Hope like we know what we're doing, huh?
Jeez.
Woo.
Good job, baby.
Get you some. Sarah, what the heck? We can't even do segments. And you get hooked up. What is up with that? Are you getting yourself some?
Don't wheel.
Let it run. What is it? How big is he?
Never touched that before.
No.
Just saying.
Ah! But it's okay if Ruben tells you, but not Marty Lynn. Marty Lynn cannot say anything. Only Ruben Lynn.
Because he advises and Marty Lynn tells you what.
See, I even got her to call you Marty Lynn. We've never done this before, Sarah.
Girl, you know what you're doing.
Okay, now if he's coming back here and you haven't reeled in enough, you're gonna have to come to the back and let him go all the way around. Because we don't want him to get caught up in the engine and the power poles and he'll break the, yeah, you gotta come over here. Come. Hurry, yes. You gotta let the line go out. Okay, we're gonna see leader in a little bit. Remember, rod tip in the water. Okay, pull him up. Yeah, don't rip him. Just pull him up.
There you go.
There we go. Oh, he's big.
Yeah, baby.
Oh my God. Woohoo! Get you some. Right in the corner of the mouth, guys. This is how you want your circle hooks. Oh, another one. Sarah, you got another one. Holy cow. Let's see how big this bad boy is. Yeah. He is 30, a little 30 and a pelito. Marty Lynn and Sarah Lynn has been catching all the fish. Well, she's Sarah Lynn on the boat. She's Sarah Jean off the boat, Sarah Lynn on the boat. They are finally letting me catch a fish. Let's see. I think you should keep it.
Get you some.
He's not as big as Sarah Lynn's and Marty Lynn's, but I'll take him. She's like, nobody cares about my fish. Hey, I'm over here, guys. Where's my netter? Okay, I'm gonna bring him to you. Boom! Get you some. Hallelujah, I finally got a fish on the boat. And he's heavy. 26 on the dot. Always kiss your fish. Get you some.
Hi, I'm Vicki Chrysler Hinojosa with Texas Outdoor Lifestyles, and I want to tell you a little bit about Danny's Pawn Shop and Sporting Goods.
Did you know that you could pawn, sell, or even upgrade your guns here? They even have reloading supplies.
This isn't your grandpa's pawn shop. They have high-end jewelry, awesome Rolexes that I've bought. They even have a diamond grader on staff.
Not only can you find your guns, scopes, accessories, but the staff is very helpful and patient.
So come on down to Danny's Pawn Shop, downtown McAllen, and be sure to tell Danny that I said to get you some. Mayak Boats, the luxury boat on the water.
Oh! Catfish, yes. Okay, hold on. Bring him to me, Sarah. Bring him to me. Oh, he's nice, Marty. Oh, bring him up. Up. Oh.
Y'all come down this way.
Woo! Nice. Get you some. Five in 5 minutes? Is that 5 in 5 minutes? Oh, that's a big catfish. Another 26 and a quarter. Okay, we're gonna like double up and say get you some.
How many is that?
Did you look at that? In 5 minutes, guys.
5 minutes. Honey, I need your help.
Ah!
Okay, move.
Ah! We got that on film, so we need your help. Oh,
Looks. Oh, wait.
fast, fast. Pick it up. Pick it up. Okay.
6 minutes. 6 fish. Get you some.
Okay, let's see if it's not a catfish. Can you believe that, guys? 6 minutes, 6 fish. And we haven't even been able to do any segments. Let me get up here. I gotta control this bad boy. Always control your fish. Don't let them control you. Yeah, I think it's a red. Ooh, it's a good one. The netter. We always have little obstacles. We gotta, yeah, go through, jump over. I think it's the smallest one we've gotten today. We need to measure him.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, 22 and a half, 22 and a quarter. Boom. Get you some. Oh, he's nice. Okay, whoops. Bring him up. Head first. Wow. Is he ready?
See the big one?
Bring him to me. Oh, boom. Oh, he's feisty little thing, or big thing. How many is that, 8?
I don't even know. How many
lost
can we,
track.
how many can we get?
I think it's 8 in 8 minutes. I think we get 12? 12. Mighty Lynn's fish. Get you some.
That looks like a 25.
Yeah, probably. Okay, let's see how big he is. How big you think he is, Marty Land? Dun 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 dun. How big?
23.
Oh,
No.
24 and a half.
25 and a quarter. Look, you see this box? Nice. Oh! Almost got away. Oh my God.
Our cameraman.
Sarah, when are we ever gonna do a segment? I guess we can't do a segment until we limit out because it's like, how many fish?
Every 90 seconds.
Every 90 seconds, a fish.
You gotta get you some.
I think you're getting yourself some.
I've never felt so unprepared in my life until that freeze. It was the worst. Hey, bud.
There was a lot of families in the Rio Grande Valley that felt exactly the same. We're here to talk about generators. There's two types. One is a portable and one is an automatic home standby generator. One will only protect certain things in your home. What is it that you want to protect?
Everything.
Then we're going to do the automatic home standby. But we need maintenance.
Maintenance is worth it. It's worth it.
Maintenance is worth it. Protect your family.
At Social Life magazine, we believe in community. That's why we're so proud to have the opportunity to document all that the Rio Grande Valley has accomplished. A community built on trust and shared values. It's friends becoming partners and partners becoming friends. Because together, we can accomplish so much more.
So from all of us at Social Life magazine, thank you.
Thank you for letting us be a part of your community.
Social Life magazine, the magazine of the Rio Grande Valley.
Ron Hoover RV and Marine in Donna wants to thank the Valley for making us the largest boat and RV dealer in Texas. More and more people in the Valley are learning that for selection, price, and financing for any credit rating, Ron Hoover RV and Marine in Donna. We sell family fun.
I need a netter.
Okay, whoa, you can't reel anymore when you get there. You see, she's getting it. She's getting it down. Look at that form. Woohoo! That's a nice one, another nice one. So far, we've had no throwbacks. All keepers. Bring them to your love. Boom. Oh! Right there, right behind you.
You want to come get it? You want to come get it,
We can't even get one off before another one's on.
Every 90 seconds.
Oh my God.
This is insane.
Oh, that one's going down. Oh my God, let me get it. Oh my God. Oh shit, I can't get it. Ah! No, I'm kidding. Psych. Oh my God.
Tired.
One after another. Let's see who's more bigger. Is mine more bigger? Or Sarah's more bigger? Let's see. I don't know, mine's not screaming anymore.
Neither's mine.
Let's not get them tangled.
No.
Well,
Stay away. Stay on your side.
okay. Yes, master. Woo! Oh, nice. Netter, I need a netter, please. I'll bring it. Whoa! Okay, well, I brought mine in first, so that counts. The slowpoke over there. Taking her time. What is it? It's a monster?
Well,
Is it a monster?
when you bring them in a little bigger.
Gotta get the GoPro. Oh my God. This is crazy.
All right.
Take it. Oh my God. It's still on.
Turn it off.
Oh! Okay. Okay. Oh my God.
Oh my God, every 90 seconds. This is insane. I have never fished like this before. This is amazing.
Where's the...
Okay, let's cast some rods out, see if we can catch a fish.
How many?
Yeah, I know. Ooh, that's another.
Corners. This is a big fatty.
Woo, baby, look.
Big.
Damn, that's an Atlas electric plumbing, refrigeration, and electric. Did I get them all?
Yes, you got them all,
good.
baby.
Tournament contender right here. It's an 8-pound fish. It's a big one.
Yeah, big boy. like super tired right now. Catching fish, catching fish, catching fish. But hey, we're out with Atlas Electrical, Plumbing, Refrigeration, and AC. Enjoying our day. There's another redfish. Boom! When they see the boat, they get scared. Are you ready yet?
No wonder you were over there like, let's go, let's go, let's go. I was like, why? I mean, I'm used to standing here for hours.
Hell no.
Damn.
That was too slow for me. Okay, so this is gonna be going back to Mama. We're gonna let this baby go because we have limited out. So get you some. Okay guys, right now we're just having fun catching, so I guess we're gonna be catching and releasing. Oh. Boom! He was ready to go. Get you some. Get you some.
Point Blank Sporting Goods. They're the experts you got to talk to before your next big hunt. The largest selection of hunting bows in the valley, outdoor accessories, plus hunting and self-defense weapons. Not to mention a huge gun range and archery range. Come on into Point Blank Sporting Goods and be sure to tell them that I said to get you some.
Hi, I'm Sarah with Atlas Electrical Air Conditioning, Refrigeration, and Plumbing Services Valley-wide. And today we're talking about good air, clean air, purified air. Why? Because Atlas is the good air people. We're going to talk to you about the AFO X. This little thing here is not Harry Potter's wand, but it is a magic wand of clean air purification in the right system. With the right filtration system, the right parts and the right UV light, you can actually purify your air, neutralize it from the odors causing VOCs, bacteria, germs, you know, all these things that make us sick. Your air in your home is 5 times worse than outside air. So just like magic, these parts right here, with Atlas, you can have your cake and you get to eat it too. Call us.
Always kiss your fish. Get you some. Two, three. Get to do our segment.
Oh,
wow,
my goodness.
That was crazy.
20 minutes nonstop every 90 seconds. We pulled up a red and a keeper.
I know, all keepers, and plus we threw some back because we limited out and we just kept catching and releasing, and it was fun, right?
Yes, it was a blast.
Oh my God! Hey Sarah, well let me tell you, our viewers want to know a little bit about you. Okay, a little bit about you.
My favorite color.
Yeah, we want to know, do you like black or pink?
Black.
Okay, do you like the Texans or the Cowboys?
Cowboys.
Woo! Okay, Cowboy fans. You like steak or chicken?
Steak.
Oh,
carne.
Steak or chicken. Okay, okay, cool. Okay, what else? What else? You like cold or hot?
Hot. Spicy.
Ooh.
Hot. Love it.
Spicy hot.
Yeah.
Sexy. Astros or Rangers?
Astros.
Astros, of course. You like Reds or trout?
Reds.
Reds. Okay. You like bay or offshore fishing?
Ooh, I love both.
Ah.
I really like deep sea.
Okay. So offshore. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
All right, good. Well, now that we know a little bit about Sarah, let's talk about Atlas. You know, Sarah owns Atlas, and let me tell you, they are my AC people. They are my electricians. They are my,
Plumbing.
yes, plumbing. They are my, high air quality cleaners. They
just got some fresh air UV light.
fresh air UV. I love
Fresh
that.
air like you're outside, clean inside your home. 'Cause
Very,
inside
very
your home,
nice.
it's the dirtiest pollution of air because it's enclosed.
Yes.
So you have to keep it clean.
I know, so y'all need one. I swear, you guys need to call Atlas, set up the appointment. And let me tell you, I love all of their techs because they just don't go in and fix and leave and send you a bill. They go in and they explain everything. Okay, this is what's going on. This is what you need. This is what, your options. They are awesome, and they're so educated on what they do.
We hire for attitude.
Yes, yeah, and super nice people, and they respect your home. I wouldn't go anywhere else. So Atlas Techs, hey, kudos to you. You're awesome. We love you, and also, I just don't know what else to say. This fishing trip was the bomb.
The hook.
We limited out on trout. The
We
beginning.
limited out. We still have bait.
Yes.
We still have bait for trout. And then we came over here in 20 minutes. My arm is
We
killing
limited
me.
out.
I'm like, I need a break.
I know, we had so much fun. Hopefully guys, y'all enjoyed the show. And gosh, Sarah, do you have anything else to say that you want our viewers to know?
You gotta get you some.
Get you some. Be sure to call Atlas. And until next time, get you some.
Get you some.